Are you having trouble sleeping? Do you know that sleeping on the wrong mattress could be the reason behind it? What's worse, your sleeping problem could be doing more damage than you think. Lack of sleep can cause frequent headaches throughout the day and an increased risk of developing health issues like hypertension, diabetes, depression, poor immune system, and even obesity in the long run. The greater the degree of your sleep deprivation, the greater the side effects. Sounds pretty unpleasant, right? Introducing Smart S3, the revolutionary mattress with a smart sleep solution system. Thoughtfully designed, the Smart Health Aid features 10 main layers, a unique application of technology that combines the best materials so that you can have a good snuggle. What distinguishes the Smart S3 is its premium functional fabric, which includes biomagnetism fiber. It provides better blood flow and enhances oxygen supply to the entire body, so you can wake up fully recharged. The Smart S3 fabric also comes fabricated with our tourmaline fiber, which produces negative ions to enhance the quality of your sleep. And you'll like this one. It also has the properties to boost your metabolism and encourage fat burning. What's even more remarkable is that the Smart S3 keeps your skin radiant by regulating blood pH, giving you a healthy glow. At the core of the Smart S3 is the graphene fiber, which uses an advanced ventilation system that disperses heat, keeping you cool throughout the night. Plus, it also has antibacterial properties while preventing odor and static. Under the Smart Ortho Aid, the Smart S3 makes sure that your body weight is distributed evenly. Coupled with premium natural latex, it allows your back and joints to be firmly supported, further reducing pressure on your circulatory system and giving you absolute relief while you're in bed. So whether you're a back or side sleeper, Smart S3's ergonomic design is bound to give you a true orthopedic sleeping experience. Worse than nightmares is a bed invaded by dust mites, bed bugs, fungi, and allergens that cause rashes and trigger respiratory inflammation. If you find yourself constantly worried about bed hygiene, leave it to Smart S3. Thanks to Smart S3's innovative design, the Smart Hygienic Aid technology, this mattress provides you with maximum protection against dust mites, bacteria, and unpleasant odors, so you and your family can enjoy a clean and uninterrupted sleep. All these benefits can lead you to a deep sleep, allowing your body to regenerate well while you rest, fundamental for a healthier and happier life. Interested in better sleep? Invest in Smart S3, redefining sleep, giving you premium bed comfort. Smart S3. Sleep well, sleep.